Very straight. Together. Morning, Nick.
But it wasn't until we were all ready that we actually all came together to see each other for the first time. She hadn't seen our dresses, she didn't know what we were going to look like, and we hadn't seen her dress. And that was a very special moment. That was when it was quite like a wedding. It was like, you know, it was the bridesmaids going to see the bride.
And just be careful of
Yeah.
correct.
Yeah.
You won't tread on my dress, but that's all going to be a prop.
Short steps.
Yeah. There we are, with all the lads. Yeah.
That might be.
Should we go and get ourselves organised down there?
Come on, always get pulled over. Morning.
There was just a really exciting moment of just getting them into that carriage for the first time, and then we knew we were off.
And I thought back of, you know, being 2 years old and watching the Queen's coronation, you know, on a tiny black and white television. And there goes this golden coach with my sister in it. I can't explain the feeling because it's so surreal and this cannot be happening. Yeah, it was quite a moment.
We were ready, and we were ready to go out and face literally the world.